Hi students, welcome to my channel, English with Miss Pineapple. My name is Cristina, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some greetings. Greetings for both formal and informal situations. And at the end of the video, we're going to see how to actually use these greetings in real conversations. I hope that you enjoy the video, and let's get started. Hello. We use hello when meeting or greeting someone. It is a formal way to greet a person. Hi. Hey can also be used when meeting or greeting someone but are less formal than hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening are formal ways to say hello or greet someone politely. How are you? Is another polite way to say hello. It is generally used to ask about a person's health or feelings. It usually doesn't require a long or detailed response back from the other person. The person can give a short response like, good, thanks. Fine, thanks. How are you? I'm great. And you? How are you doing? Is less formal than how are you and can be used similarly. However, it is usually used with people you already know. The person responding could give similar responses as to how are you? How's it going? How are things? Are also informal or casual ways of greeting someone and used with people you already know. What's up? What are you doing? Are very informal and used with people you already know. Usually a person would respond by saying, not much, and you? Or by telling you what they are actually doing at the moment. The second is more formal. What are you doing is more formal than what's up. What's new? How have you been? Long time no see. These are casual ways of greeting someone you already know but haven't seen in a while. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's nice to meet you and it is a pleasure to meet you are formal greetings used when we are meeting someone for the first time. Nice to meet you can be used in a more informal or casual setting. Now let's take a look at some ways that we can say goodbye to someone. For example, goodbye or bye. These are used when someone leaves. Bye is less formal and more commonly used than goodbye. Farewell. Take care are formal ways to say goodbye. See you later. Catch you later. See you soon are used to say goodbye when we expect to see someone soon or later the same day. Talk to you later. Talk to you soon are also used to say goodbye and that we expect to speak with that person again soon or later the same day. Have a nice day. Have a good one. Are used to say goodbye and wish someone a pleasant day. Have a good one is a lot more informal than have a nice day. Finally, let's take a look at some of these formal and informal greetings in action. Hello, Mark.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am great, thank you.
Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I am planning a trip to France.
That is very interesting. I have to go to work. Good luck with your planning.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hey,
Hi, Mary.
what's up?
Not much, and you?
I'm on my way to work. Anyways, I'm late. Talk to you soon.
Have a good one.
Look who it is. Hi, Peter.
Hey, how is it going?
Well, I'm on my way to yoga. I just finished class. And you?
That's cool. I'm off to pick up a pizza.
Great. Anyways, I gotta go. I'm late. See you later.
Bye. Good afternoon. I'm Francisco.
Good afternoon, Francisco. My name is Cristina. It is a pleasure to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Let's begin the interview. Tell me a little about yourself. Excellent. Thank you, Francisco. We will contact you as soon as we have chosen a candidate.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Goodbye, Francisco.
Goodbye.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
Hey, I'm Jack. Nice meeting you.
Likewise. How are you enjoying the party?
I'm having a blast, and you?
Steph, can you help me? Me too. Oh, it looks like my friend needs me. Talk to you later.
Oh, okay. Talk to you soon.
And we've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I hope that I've been able to teach you some new greetings or some new ways to say hello and goodbye in English. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for new future videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah! See you next time.